Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a circle energy like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I used VC Color plugin and also Deep Glow plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll change it to white. And go to effects and presets and I'll type CC ball action. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to scatter and I'll change it to 320 like this. Then I'll go to X axis and I'll change it to Z axis. And I'll go to rotation, alt and keyframe, and I'll type here time times 100 and see this. Okay, now I'll go to twist angle and I'll change it to 120. Also grid spacing, change it to 50. Ball size 80, and last I'll change state here to 20 and see this. Okay, very good. So now again I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type circle. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to radius, change radius to 500. Also edge set none to edge radius and I'll change it to 400 like this. Then I'll go to feather, change feather outer edge to 100. Also inner edge I'll change it to 100. It's very important. Then I'll go to mode here, set none to stencil alpha like this and see. Okay, again I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type fractal noise. Fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to brightness. I'll decrease it to -50 and set mode here normal to add. That's all here. Then I'll go to effects and presets again and I'll type turbulent displace and I'll decrease amount to -30 and also size, I'll change size to 10. Okay, then I'll go to evolution, alt keyframe and I'll type time times 100 and see. Okay, that's all here. So I'll go to layer and I'll add adjustment layer. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type twirl. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to angle and I'll increase angle something like this. And also radius, I'll increase it to 70. Okay, now I'll select them all, pre-composite, and I'll name it circle 1. Okay, now I'll go to layer and I'll add new adjustment layer. Go to effect, video copilot, VCR color, and I'll change this color to blue or it's okay. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type deep glow, double click or drag and drop, and I'll increase it here, change this color. Okay, this is good for me. And also I'll add, go to color correction and I'll add curves and I'll create curve here and also another one. Yeah, this is good. So now I'll go to circle 1 and Control D to copy, and let me name it circle 2, and I'll add CC vector blur. Okay, I'll increase amount a little bit and set none here to circle 1, and also I'll increase smoothness, and that's all. Also you can, if you want to add a background, down, and I'll go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp, set linear to radial, and I put this point into the middle, and I'll change this color. Something like this. And also here. And this is our tutorial. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.